Do you want to get your kids excited about chemistry? Hi there, this is Big Spruce Rabbitry, and I'm teaching for UAF SMART Academy summer sessions. I'm teaching physics, geology, and chemistry courses for homeschoolers or any inquisitive mind who wants to get a lab kit in the mail and have an instructor to talk to about learning about really cool science. I got a master's degree here from the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and I love sharing science with excited young minds. So let me go take you through what comes in our chemistry classes. I've got a Cabbage Chemistry for your 2nd to 4th graders and Living Chemistry for 4th through 8th graders. And both of these courses are full of really cool topics, and I'll just take you through the 2 different classes and show you their lab kits, and we'll be shipping those out starting next week. And if you want to know more about UAF Summer Session Smart Academy, please check out the link in the description below. So Cabbage Chemistry is a class that's all based around the properties of the juice of the purple cabbage. Purple cabbages produce juice that is purple, as you might expect, but pH can change its color, which makes it called a pH indicator. So we're going to do a series of experiments using pH and this pH indicator from cabbage juice to understand the world of acids and bases. So I'll take you through the lab kit. We've got 4 kind of main experiments that the kids are going to be playing with and some more minor ones. So as you can see, we've got a lot of acids and bases here. We've got vinegar, lemon juice, baking soda, and citric acid. But the kids are also going to be encouraged to look through the fridge and under the sink to find other acids and bases in their daily life. The kids in this class will get to play with some real scientific equipment, like the cylinder and beakers. We also have gloves so the kids can safely handle all of the material that they might be playing with. And of course we got lots of little squeezy droppers so that they can play around with those, and it makes it more fun. We'll make standards out of cabbage juice, and the kids will be able to test those standards against anything in their fridge to be able to figure out the pH using only cabbage juice. In this class, the kids will get to play with commercially made pH paper and make their own pH paper out of cabbage juice, and then test it. 2 of the experiments that we'll be doing in this class are making film canister bombs. So you take a film canister, take a little piece of tissue paper and put it in the lid that holds baking soda, and put vinegar in the bottom and shake it up and it blows up. It's really fun. And we'll also be doing a titration to try to figure out if Roland or Tums antacid pills are better. This is going to be a really cool class, so definitely if you have a curious young mind in your life, sign up. We still have 4 slots available. Okay, so we're at the other end of the table to look at our Living Chemistry kit. Living Chemistry is for older kids from 4th to 8th grade, and we are going to be doing a little bit more complicated experiments. It's looking at how chemistry relates to living cells. So we will be going through 4 different experiments that all relate to some part of a living cell. The first experiment is extracting protein from powdered milk. The second experiment is extracting DNA from basically any living thing, like this gross, grody squash. The third experiment is making soap. And the fourth is building a calorimeter to determine the amount of energy found in a candle. This is all simplified down from college labs. It's basically designed to be a chance to explore chemistry and have an awesome time doing it while getting your hands into squishy good stuff. So I'll take you through what comes in the kit. So the reagents that come in this kit are powdered milk and lemon juice for our first experiment, deionized water, all the stuff that you could possibly want for making soap, coconut, olive oil, and lye, and of course water. Measuring equipment, so a couple of cylinders, coffee filters for DNA and protein extractions, and plenty of beakers and safety equipment such as gloves to make sure that kids have a safe and fun time learning chemistry. So I'll be teaching these courses in the month of February, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for checking out these homeschool chemistry labs, and thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe.